Hello everyone, I am Hisham Makan. You are watching English with HM. Let's learn English tenses. There are 12 tenses in English language. On this video, you are going to learn the simple present tense. Let's see the structure to make sentences in the simple present tense. The most popular structure is there: subject, verb, object. The subject is an important part in a sentence. These are subjects: plural subjects and singular subjects. I, we, you and they are plural subjects. He, she and it are singular subjects. Now let's see how to make sentences by using these subjects. If a plural subject comes, we need a plural verb. Subject, I, so we need a plural verb and we need an object. I am going to take I as the subject. Play is the verb. Cricket is the object. So, the sentence is ready, is correct. I play cricket. It is a grammatically correct sentence. Plural subjects will take plural verbs. I, we, you and they are plural subjects, so they need plural verbs to make sentences. We are going to take stem verb as the plural verb. Stem verb means the base form of a verb. So, I can take play as the plural verb. I play cricket. We play cricket. You play cricket and they play cricket. So the same plural verb will come to all plural subjects. Now let's see the singular verb. These are singular subjects. Singular subjects will take singular verbs. We are going to add an S to the plural verb, then it becomes a singular verb. For example, play is the plural verb. We already saw that, we already learned that. Now we are going to add an S to that plural verb and it becomes singular verb. So, when you make a sentence by using singular subjects, for example, I am going to take he. He is a singular subject. So, we have to use a singular verb for that subject. He plays cricket. We add play plus S. Then it becomes singular verb. He is a singular subject. Plays is the singular verb. Then we can add an object. So he plays cricket. She makes cake. I have given you some examples. I play cricket. We study maths. He likes English. She learns French. Then you can see the difference between plural subject and singular subject. Now let's see the usage of simple present tense. There are many uses. Let's see one by one. The first one. Simple present is used to express ideas about routine activities. For example, children play football in the evening. That means they play football every evening. It's a routine activity. We go for a walk in the morning. It's a good exercise. So we go for a walk in the morning. It's a routine action. Simple present is used to express ideas about habitual activities. Mala gets up early in the morning. It's her habit to get up early in the morning. My brother goes to bed late. It's his habit to go to bed late. We have more uses. Simple present is used in many proverbs. A bad carpenter quarrels with his tools. Too many cooks spoil the broth. You can see simple present tense there. Simple present is used to express some ideas about theories and principles. Light travels faster than sound. Light travels faster than sound. We can see when lightning, we can see the spark for the first time, but the sound will come late. So light travels faster than sound. It's a theory. Cork floats on water. Water freezes at 0 Celsius. Simple present is used to talk about the universal truth or eternal truths. The earth moves around the sun. The sun rises in the east. So they are universal truths. There are some verbs in English language. They are called as stative verbs or non-continuous verbs. This is the list of stative verbs. For example, I am going to take some verbs among them. Love is a stative verb. I love English. I hate gossiping. This flower smells sweet. So these are stative verbs. So these are used in the simple present tense. Finally, I would like to teach you an important lesson. The simple present tense is used to express ideas about immediate future activities. For example, our class starts next week. My friends leave for Colombo tomorrow. You can see there are some adverbs of future time. Next week, tomorrow. So, we have to use adverbs of future time with simple present tense to express ideas about future time. That's all for today. Maybe you have learned new things in the simple present tense. There are more videos to come under the simple present tense. So, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification. So, see you in our next video.